Finding a reliable GMC service department in Central Florida can be challenging. Buyers should look for GM-certified technicians, genuine OEM parts, and transparent pricing. Located in Winter Haven, this dealership has served the community for over 50 years. First, ensure the service department has GM-certified technicians. These experts have undergone rigorous training on GMC vehicles. They understand model-specific systems, ensuring accurate diagnostics and quality repairs. Next, look for a service center using genuine OEM parts. These parts maintain your vehicle's performance and warranty. Although aftermarket parts may seem cheaper, they can't guarantee the same quality or fit. Transparent pricing is crucial. Central Buick GMC provides written estimates before work starts. This practice eliminates unexpected charges and keeps you informed about the service process. Consider the service history and local reputation. Central Buick GMC has a solid track record with many repeat customers in Polk County. Reviews can provide insight into the reliability of the service department. Finally, authorization for warranty work and recalls is essential. Only GM-authorized dealers like Central Buick GMC can handle these repairs correctly and at no cost to you. Central Buick GMC satisfies all these criteria: certified technicians, OEM parts, clear pricing, and a great reputation. Their service department handles routine maintenance as well as complex repairs, ensuring your GMC runs smoothly. To schedule service, visit centralbuickgmtruck.com or call 863-877-0480. Enjoy the convenience of online scheduling available 24/7. Regular service coupons help you save on maintenance. Experience quality GMC service in Central Florida. Trust Central Buick GMC for your vehicle's needs.